How you doing? This is a 1987 V-4 OMC Evinrude. It's a 110 block. They get a 90 horse, 110, 100 out of this. Doing a leak down test on it because I did a compression test, and the compression was 100 pounds on the port bank and 105 on the starboard. Well, these numbers are really low. They need to be at least about 120, and I'm leak down testing it, seeing where my failure is. So I take this gauge and I have blocked up the power head with some vice grips here at top dead center, and I take it down a little bit further so the travel is about halfway into the piston, and then you fill it up with air. This is just shop compression air. You take this up to 100 pounds. This is 100 pounds going in, and then you see what's coming out. Well, we're losing 22% of our air. And as you can hear, it's hissing. It's hissing out of this piston, or excuse me, this cylinder, as well as this side, and it's also coming out of the prop. So what that means is I got a really bad piston here. Yeah, it has 110 or 100 pounds of compression, but it doesn't necessarily have a good cylinder wall or a good piston. Just as this cylinder, excuse me, this piston had 110 pounds, but as you can see, it's thoroughly damaged. So next time somebody says, well, the motor's got compression, yeah, it can definitely have compression, but what is the leak down number? What is it holding? You'd want to see something holding less, losing less than 5% or holding more than 5%. So about 95 or better is a really good motor. This motor definitely has some huge issues when you're losing 22%, 24% now. Well, actually, about 20% to 22% of your air is being lost. That's a huge loss, big compression loss, big fuel loss, big horsepower loss.